I'm Linda Tarrant, and I'm the contest director for computer applications. And this is one of the newer contests in UIL, and in my opinion, one of the most useful and one of the most stimulating for the kids that participate in it. The basis of the computer application contest is Microsoft Office. And there are three integral parts to Microsoft Office that we address: Excel, Access, and Word, and the integration of these three elements. Computer applications is a 30-minute contest basically, and that means you really have to know your applications well in order to complete the task within 30 minutes. A typical contest consists of 2 printouts, probably one from either Excel or Access. This would be printing out a spreadsheet or printing a report or something of the like. And the other is usually from Word. And in the Word document, there is some piece that came from one of the other applications. Ultimately, you're called on to use lots of elements from each of the 3 processes as they are integrated together. There are 3 parts to the contest. The first part is a 5-minute tiebreaker. Then there is a 3-minute preview of the test itself, and then there is the test that produces these typically 2 printouts. The difficulty and the puzzling in the contest comes in a few different ways. One is the time constraint. To try to do the activity that's outlined in the test within 30 minutes. The second level of difficulty is encountered in the vast array of tools available in each of the elements. This requires the student to have an interest in the computer, an interest in the puzzling out of how this all works, and take the extracurricular time to really delve into what these applications can do over and above what you learn in the classroom. The contest builds from the invitational level to the district, to the region, to the state, and each level is a little more difficult elements that the student is called on to perform. A typical test could be an Access document that you're preparing, and you create a table and then you go through a step-by-step process to create a report. A typical Excel sample output could be something of the same thing, where you do the same type of task, only you're asked to do it in Excel, and you have different criteria and different little steps you would go through. A typical output from the word processing element of the contest would be a memo or a blocked letter or any other kind of business letter. And in the memo, you would likely have a chart that you had created in Excel. Then there are a few lines prior to the chart, a few lines after the chart, and you're required to format the letter with the appropriate spacing for who the letter goes to, who it's from, what the date is, and so on. The skills gained in this contest will help you no matter what you're going to do next. In college, each one of you will use these in writing reports, in analyzing data, in creating a chart so that you can better describe your data in a report. In your business, you'll use it in your check registers, you'll use it in name and address files, you'll use it in writing a very nice business letter that is in an acceptable format. Believe me, your children will be brought up with computers, and this will enable you to deal in their world. If you like puzzling, if you like figuring out how to do something in a new and better way, this is a great contest for you.